Hey guys, it's week 6 of raising our meat chickens, and as you can see, they're getting really big now. I'm starting to do a few things different now, so let me show you what I'm doing. So I previously told you that I started filling their food tray up in the evenings. I no longer do that. I was reading a little bit and doing some research online, and apparently these birds can just eat and eat and eat and eat. So you don't want to have full-time food for them. And I noticed that they were just getting a lot of poop on the ground, and they were getting really dirty, so I started doing research. Most people say to feed them 12 hours on and then 12 hours off a feed. That way that you help them regulate, because they don't know how to stop eating, they just eat if there's food in front of them. I've noticed that the chickens seem to be a little more active, and they eat a little more grass now that I've taken away their feed during the evening hours. I'm still moving them twice a day, once in the morning. When I move them in the morning, I give them new food, and then when I move them in the evening, they just get grass to eat, and then I put their tray up here so it's just out of the way. I have noticed if it's really rainy, these birds get really dirty and they start to stink a little bit. So luckily we haven't had too much rain and they're pretty clean looking right now. The chickens are still going through about 10 gallons a day. I fill it up once in the morning and once in the evening when I move them. Thanks for watching. I hope these videos are inspiring you to get started raising your own meat chickens. We've only got 2 more videos in this series, so make sure you're subscribed so you won't miss out on those videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.